Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on general cleaning here. We got some stains. I did this room already. Hallway did this already. It's not coming out. Hallway. See how it's dark, the gray, just look at the color difference from there to here, just here. Don't look at that, look at here. That's that. All right. So we got that room, this hallway, and like I said, clean water goes in. Here's the dirty water. All right, we're all finished with the 3 rooms here. These red stains are not coming up, and I asked the customer if they had any. He said no. So we're gonna come back and do the red stains later this week. It's a different process, a different machine. So we'll go ahead and get those out. As you can see, these carpets look great. You should see the video before, of how this area looked in the pictures as well. All right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.